Taehyung and Jungkook in 2025 verified event versus fan interruption. 2025 felt overwhelming for BTS fans, especially when it comes to Taehyung and Jungkook. Post to post went viral, live trended, rumor exploded. Some people said everything was coincidence, others said too much happened to ignore. So today we are doing something different. This video separates what actually happened from what fans interpreted, without exaggeration, without denial, just facts and context. 2025 was the year BTS transitioned out of military service and back into public life. No regular content for months. Then suddenly photos, live concert, brands, OT7 movement. That environment is important because explain why everything felt louder. June 10, 2025. RM and V were officially discharged from the military on June 10, 2025. This marked the beginning of BTS' return to public life. June 12-13, 2025 BTS Festa and Reunion content. Around BTS 12th anniversary, June 13, BTS members appeared together as a part of celebration and festival content. Videos and fan-circulated clips showed multiple members interacting, dancing, and celebrating together, including Taehyung and Jungkook being present in the crowd at J-Hope concert. What actually happened? Jungkook appeared on stage with J-Hope. Taehyung, Jin, RM and Jimin Suga were in the stands dancing together. Around BTS Festival and reunion time, different members engaged with fans on viewers, having leaving comments or posting photos. Fan documented Jungkook interacting with other member posts. No confirmed solo IG exposure targeting Taehyung specifically. July 16, 17, 2025 Jungkook and Taehyung Instagram Live. An Instagram Live featuring Taehyung and Jungkook occurred around mid-July 2025. This session went viral because it showed them vibing in a car. They danced the viral Aura Farmer dance together. This was a genuine joint live moment between them, not pre-recorded, no misstating. August 4, 2025 Instagram post showing close interaction. Taehyung shared an Instagram post where an image showed him in close proximity to Jungkook, including a moment where he sat on Jungkook's lap while holding a tissue after a nosebleed incident. This was a real social media post and got significant attention, not necessarily a scripted Taehyung event. 17 August 2025 BTS streamed a short live from a beach in Los Angeles with all 7 members present. A very brief OT7 interaction featuring casual movement between members including Taehyung and Jungkook. This marked one of the earliest fully reunited live interactions since military discharge. A video went viral in August showing Taehyung and Jungkook together on a flight. In the clip, Taehyung sat on Jungkook's lap and they shared food and laughs. Concerts also arose when Taehyung had a nosebleed during the interaction. December 19, 20, 2025 Live with Jin and Jungkook V. Filmed in late December 2025, a viewer's live featured on Jin and Taehyung chatting, singing karaoke and interacting playfully. This live drew attention because the BTS members were relaxed and casual. Some moments shows warm interaction while they encouraged Jin. By late December 2025, confirmed that all 7 BTS reunited, shared a group photos, stirring excitement about studio and future projects in 2025. Instagram Live, loose video, and real interaction were interrupted by many fans and moments highlighting close bond. The farmer dance live and flight video were widely shared because they showed natural, unstaged interaction between Taehyung and Jungkook that fans appreciated. Fans had waited for the group together for years. At J-Hope concert were emotionally significant. Many circulated photos Taehyung and Jungkook at events were shared widely because fans they celebrated friendship rather than suggested romantic attention. BTS completed military services and OT7 United June 2025 BTS Festa at J-Hope concert. July 2025 Taehyung and Jungkook IG Live, a rare live stream shared by JKNV that fans celebrated as a genuine moment. August 2025 viral flight video. August 2025 OT7 Beach Live full group appearance where they caused Taekook movement. December 2025 Weavers Live with Jin, Jungkook and B end of year live make casual fun and interaction. All 7 BTS members publicly reunited, shared group photos, videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new in my channel. We, Jungkook and RM went live together on Instagram, the first significant live in year post military service. Due to technical issue they switched live viewers, where Jimin and J-Hope also appeared. Fan appreciated as a rare group interaction that hinted at future BTS activities and strengthened both publicly. And Jungkook rumors around relationship. Some fans discuss past dating rumors in online form and comment section. These topics trend in fan communities but do not have official confirmation. Wynkook, Jungkook and Winter rumor. This refer to a fan circulated timeline from earlier period. These remain unverified fan discussion and are listed on community forum, not official statement. How to interrupt these movements? Verified publicly content in 2025 shows BTS are actively reunited.